Welcome. My name is Teresa Hugo and I am a qualified hypnotherapist. Before we begin, I just want you to know that everything you experience today is completely natural and normal. You remain in full control at all times and you can open your eyes or shift position whenever you need to. There's nothing you need to do except allow yourself to become comfortable. Remember, all hypnosis is self-hypnosis. You are safe and you can end the session at any time you wish by simply saying out loud, "Wake up." Now move around a little bit until you are completely comfortable. And remember, you can listen to this video as often as you want to. Now, let's begin. If you are comfortable, that's right. And as your eyes close now, you can begin to notice the weight of your body against the chair or the surface beneath you. Just noticing that sensation of being supported, fully supported. And that's a very comfortable thing to notice. And I'd like to invite you to bring your attention gently to the top of your head. Just imagine a wave of comfortable warmth beginning right there at the crown of your head. And as that warmth begins to spread, you might notice the tiny muscles across your forehead. Simply letting go, softening, smoothing out, as if all the tension that was held there has simply decided to leave. And that comfortable feeling begins to move down now, across your eyes, those delicate muscles around your eyes. They don't need to hold on to anything right now. They can simply rest. Your eyelids feeling pleasantly heavy, comfortably closed. And that wave of relaxation continues, moving down across your cheeks, your jaw. You might notice your jaw softening now, perhaps dropping slightly, and that's perfectly fine. That's your body doing exactly what it knows how to do. And the relaxation drifts down into your neck and shoulders now. And this is often where we carry so much of the weight of the day, of your responsibilities. And I'd like you to simply imagine that all of that weight is being gently and completely set down right now. Your shoulders dropping now, just a little, releasing, letting go. And that wonderful feeling of release travels down through your arms now, down through your upper arms, through your elbows, down through your forearms, all the way to your wrists, your hands, and even the tips of your fingers. You might notice a tingling there, or a warmth, or simply a pleasant heaviness. And whatever you notice is exactly right for you now. And now that comfortable wave moves into your chest. And as it does, you might find that your breathing becomes a little slower, a little deeper, a little easier. Each breath in, bringing calm. Each breath out, releasing anything you no longer need. In, hold, out, hold. Repeat again. In, hold, out. And as you breathe and the relaxation continues, moving through your stomach area now, all those muscles there, often held tight without us even realizing, simply letting go. And into your lower back, spreading across your hips, releasing. Down through your thighs now, through your knees, your calves, down to your ankles, your feet, right to the very tips of your toes, and your whole body from the top of your head to the tips of your toes is now resting in a state of comfortable, natural relaxation. And in this comfortable state, I'd like to invite you to use your imagination for a moment. Imagine that you find yourself at the top of a beautiful staircase. This is your staircase, and it looks and feels however is most pleasant for you. Perhaps the steps are made of warm wood, or cool stone, or something else entirely that feels just right. And as you look down this staircase, you can see that it leads somewhere deeply comfortable, deeply peaceful, a place of complete ease. And in a moment, I am going to count from 10 down to 1, and with each number, with each step you take, you'll find yourself moving twice as deeply into this beautiful state of relaxation. 10. Taking the first step now and already feeling yourself drifting deeper. 9. Deeper now, more comfortable. 8. That's right, letting go even more. 7. Halfway down now, and so deeply relaxed. 6. Every muscle, every cell at ease. 5. Deeper still, pleasantly drifting. 4. Almost there now. 3. Nearly at the bottom. 2. One more step. 1. And you arrive now in this beautiful, peaceful place, completely comfortable, completely at ease. And as you rest here now, in this comfortable place, I wonder if you've ever noticed the way that water finds its natural level. How a river, after passing through narrow rocky places, eventually opens out into something wide and calm and clear. And your mind is very much like that river. It has its own wisdom, its own natural way of finding peace. And I don't know exactly what it is that you've been carrying lately, but your body knows. And somewhere inside you, there's a part that knows too, that some of those things you've been holding were never truly yours to carry forever. And you might begin to notice a curious thing. As you continue to relax deeply, that the thoughts which felt so urgent, so loud, so pressing, begin to feel just a little more distant, not gone necessarily, simply further away, like sounds heard from another room, present but no longer demanding. And that is an interesting thing to discover, isn't it? That you can observe your thoughts without being controlled by them. And perhaps you've had the experience of standing outside on a clear night and looking up at the sky, those countless stars, and no matter what was happening in your life that day, the sky remained vast and quiet and steady. And there is a part of you that is just like that sky, a part of you that remains calm and steady, no matter what moves through it. Thoughts, worries, feelings, they pass through like weather. But the sky itself is never damaged by the storm. As you breathe comfortably now, I wonder if you might allow yourself to imagine what it might feel like to carry just a little less, to set something down, not necessarily everything at once, just a little, and notice what it feels like when that weight begins to lift. And in your unconscious mind, that deeper, wiser part of you has already begun this process. Because that's what the unconscious does. It looks for solutions while the conscious mind rests. It finds new ways of experiencing old situations. And you don't even need to know exactly how this works any more than you need to understand the mechanics of sleep, to wake up feeling rested. And your body has its own intelligence. It knows how to heal a cut without being told step by step. It knows how to breathe while you sleep, and in the same way, it knows how to return to a state of calm. This is not something foreign to you. This is something you were born knowing how to do. And as you rest here, I'd like to offer your mind a simple image. Imagine that in your hands you're holding a small stone, and this stone represents the anxiety or the stress or whatever you've been carrying that feels heavy, and you can feel the weight of it and the texture of it. And now, in your own time, you can simply put that stone down. Place it gently on the ground beside you and notice how your hands feel. Lighter now. Notice how your shoulders respond. Notice what happens in your chest. And that stone is still there. You haven't pretended it doesn't exist, but you've chosen to put it down now. And that is entirely within your power at any time you choose. And each time you practice this, each time you allow yourself this space of calm, each time you listening to this video, it becomes easier, more natural, more available to you, like a path through the forest that becomes clearer the more often you walk on it. And now, I'd like to offer you something to carry forward from this experience. You are learning to recognize the early signs of stress and to respond to them gently before they build. Each breath you take is available to you as a tool, a quiet reset, a moment of return to yourself. And in the days ahead, you may notice that situations that once felt overwhelming seem just a little more manageable. Not because the world has changed, but because you are becoming more skilled at finding your center within it. And anytime you wish to return to this feeling, this sense of calm and ease, you can take one slow breath, place your hand gently on your chest, and allow this feeling to return. Because it belongs to you now, it is always available. You are doing so well, and I'd like you to know that whatever you experienced today was exactly right for you at this time. And in a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. And with each number, you'll find yourself returning gently and comfortably to full waking awareness. 1. Beginning to return, awareness coming back to the room around you. 2. Feeling the support of the surface beneath you, becoming more aware of your physical body. 3. Halfway back now, bringing with you all that comfort, all that ease. 4. Nearly there. You might feel like taking a deeper breath now, or gently moving your fingers and your toes. 5. Eyes open whenever you're ready, fully awake, fully present, feeling calm, feeling refreshed. Welcome back.